guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Today I've got another little project I'm doing in my RV while I have it here in our driveway in our Florida compound here. And I've got these new neon flexible strip lights, kind of like rope lights, but they're really flexible. They're able to make sharp turns and corners a little bit easier, and they look really modern looking. This is them right here, so you can really make really sharp corners and angles, but I'm actually using it on a flat surface. My idea, I wanted to make it more like a modern interior with the modern lighting, so I want to put it above the slide here. If I can get it started, kind of give you an idea, I want to put it right about there. So at night, this whole slide will have that neon strip lighting up. And these are RGB colors too. So multicolor. I mostly got it for the bright white look. So to really brighten up the ceiling right there for us, all the way down the coach. You can see how long that is. And that's actually one whole strip. It's 16 feet 4 inches that I'm using, because you can't cut these. So I'm using the entire strip, and I'm going to put the power adapter up over here. I'm going to mount it to the cabinet right in the corner, up in that corner there. And then between the cabinet, I've got a little gap right here. I can run the cord over back to the corner and then drop the cord down. And I'll probably need an extension cord to reach my outlet right behind the couch right there. So guys, stay tuned. It does work with the smart app as well, and it also works with our Alexa. Stay tuned, I'll get started. All right, so this is our before shot, before we put the neon strip lighting up. First, I used a rag with some alcohol on it, and I've cleaned the whole entire length of this wood trim up above here, so we get a nice sticky surface. Because I'm going to use a combination of double-sided sticky tape today. I'm going to stick it every so often, and then in between I'm going to use some all-purpose adhesive caulk, and this is clear, so it'll dry clear. And I'm going to use that caulking in between the double-sided tape. So we'll see how that goes. I got it. Bam. Nice. Straight as an arrow neon strip. Ultra white going down the whole slide out area. And now I've plugged this in at the corner down here. And it's not very neat, but it's kind of tucked out of the way. You got, of course, this power supply brick right here. I used double-sided sticky tape and attached it to the cabinet wood right here. Doesn't interfere with the door. And this cord comes along back over this corner, and there's the manual controller right there. Now this thing is kind of like Govee light strips. It has sound activation too, so it will operate and change colors and reactions with the sound inside of your RV rig. So that's another unique feature. So I'm going to get the app set up now. We'll come right back and take a look at some of these other features that work on the smartphone along with this neon rope strip. I get it playing on the Alexa right there. So very good. Now I'm going to leave you for now. Guys, thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's see what this can do. Echo. Turn on RV ceiling. There you go.